So another thing, I just wanted to find out about the tribes in the Gambia. Can you just tell us a little bit about the tribes?
Yeah, we have different tribes. Like for example, I'm from the Fulani tribe. You have the Mandinka, the Wolof, the Sirere. All these tribes, they come from different parts of Africa.
Yeah.
Like for example, the Wolof, they are from the north of Senegal. You have the Mandinkas, they are from Mali. The Fulani, you can have them everywhere. Like for example, Gambia, Senegal, Nigeria, because they always roam around.
Yeah.
You understand? Also, we also have another tribe called the Manjago. They are from Portuguese Guinea.
Yeah.
You understand? So we have the Serahule also. They are some are from Mali, some are from Mauritania.
Yeah.
But we get very well within
That's
ourselves.
amazing. Yeah.
So we intermarry. You understand?
So you can intermarry different tribes.
Yeah, you can intermarry different tribes. Like for example, my mother is from Serahule tribe. No, sorry, Sirere tribe.
Yeah.
My father is Fulani.
Yeah.
You understand? So I have other relatives also in other tribes because of intermarriage.
Amazing. Thank you.